Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and welcome back to my channel about fiber arts. In this video I'm going to show you how I crochet these easy yet charming placemats. The process is simple, all you need is some yarn, a hook and just a little bit of patience. For this project I'm using 24/7 cotton yarn from Michaels, 170 meters per 100 grams and a 4mm crochet hook. I'm starting with a magic ring. I wrap the working yarn into a loop. I pull the yarn from the ball through the ring, make 2 chain stitches to begin, and then crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. Then I pull the tail end of the yarn to tighten the ring. And I make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. I'm starting the second round. I make 2 chain stitches to begin, then work 2 double crochets into the same stitch where I joined with the slip stitch. After that, I work 2 double crochets into each stitch of the previous round. I finish this round with a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. For the third round, I make 2 chain stitches to start, then I work 1 double crochet into the first stitch of the previous round and 2 double crochets into the second stitch. I repeat this pattern all the way around. And complete the round with a slip stitch. Next I continue crocheting in rounds, making increases by working 2 double crochets into the second stitch of the previous round. This results in 12 increases in each round. I'll continue this pattern until I've completed a total of 16 rounds. After completing 16 rounds, I measured the circle, it's 13 inches. Now I'm ready to start the edging. I start with a chain stitch, then make a single crochet into the first stitch of the previous round. Next I skip 2 stitches of the previous round and in the third stitch I work 6 treble crochets. Again I skip 2 stitches of the previous round and in the third stitch I make a single crochet. I repeat the pattern, 6 treble crochets followed by a single crochet, skipping 2 stitches each time, all the way until the end of this round. I finish the round with 6 treble crochets and a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. I fasten off the yarn and weave in the ends. At the end, I steam block the finished placemat and it's ready to use. I'm really happy with the final result. These placemats protect my dining table from scratches and hot mug marks, and they are easy to clean too. I even wash mine in the washing machine. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time.